Welcome to this video lecture series on productivity and time management. This series is designed to teach you the principles and techniques you need to become more productive and manage your time more effectively. Whether you're a student, an entrepreneur, an employee, or anyone else who wants to make the most of their time, this series will provide you with valuable insights and practical tips to help you achieve your goals. One of the most important things in life is being productive. It allows you to accomplish more, achieve your goals, and lead a fulfilling life. However, many of us struggle to be productive, constantly feeling overwhelmed and behind on our tasks. Time management is the key solution to this problem. With it, you can structure and optimize your time to achieve greater productivity. This series is divided into several sections that will cover a wide range of topics related to productivity and time management. We will begin by identifying and prioritizing tasks, using tools like the Eisenhower matrix to help you determine what is truly important and what can wait. Next, we will explore different time management techniques, such as the Pomodoro technique, the 80-20 rule, and the time blocking method, which can help you make the most of your time. We will also delve into the issue of staying focused and eliminating distractions, as well as staying organized, discussing the benefits of being organized, and tips on how to stay that way. And lastly, we will delve into staying motivated, discussing why it's important and how to set motivating goals and recognize progress. Throughout the series, our experienced instructors will provide real-world examples and practical tips to help you apply what you have learned in your daily life. Whether you're looking to boost your productivity at work, manage your time more effectively as a student, or simply want to improve your overall sense of well-being and fulfillment, this series has something for everyone. By the end of the series, you will have a comprehensive understanding of the key concepts and techniques you need to become more productive and manage your time more efficiently. You'll be able to apply these skills to your daily life and start reaping the benefits of improved productivity and time management right away. So, let's dive in and get started.